welcome back to the MakeCode Arcade Advanced live stream. We are the MakeCode team, but I am Vivian at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums. It's been a while since I've had to intro us.
And I am the MakeCode team, but we are Richard. At Richard on the MakeCode forum. And my video is off, but I'll turn it on in a sec.
And I am Shannon, and also the MakeCode team, and at Shakao on the MakeCode forums.
Richard's coming back. He is eating a sandwich and doesn't want us to know what kind of sandwich he's eating because he's mysterious about stuff like that. And so, if you have noticed by the title, we're making Minesweeper today. Can we do this in an hour? I don't know. I've tried making Minesweeper, but only the beginning part of it 2 times the last 2 days. So we'll see. But I have a plan. We're going to use small tile maps. So we're going to bring in Rick Knoll / small tile maps. Oh, also it's going to be Gopher themed. This is all determined. We did a lot of work pre-stream.
A lot of mind mapping.
Yeah. Okay.
Just
so
some real blue sky ideation,
Okay, so with an 8x8 tile map, it is great because also we're using beta, so if things look different, that's why. Yes, okay, 8x8 tile map, we can fill the whole screen. I'm gonna make a tile and it's gonna look Gopher themed. Okay, I'll just make this one. So I'm gonna make a tile to indicate that we should put Gophers or not there. And where did it go? Is that a bug?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Is that one? Oh, I'll make a note.
Okay, cool. And so this is gonna be secret, and we're just gonna use the tile map to keep track of where Gophers are and where Gophers are not. And so I'm going to make a function, make cover tiles. I'm going to call it right away. And so my idea is we'll put a sprite that's like on top of all these squares, and then that will be like the image. Oh, so if you haven't played Minesweeper before, should I have started with that? If you haven't played Minesweeper before, it's like a game where you have a bunch of squares like this, and you click on it, and you try not to hit the mines. And if you click on something that isn't a mine, it'll either tell you the number of mines it's touching, and then you need to guess where it is by marking flags. We're gonna do that. Okay, so making cover tiles. So we're going to make a sprite, and it's gonna be a tile. And it's gonna be 8x8, and it's gonna look cool. Look like this. I practiced this too. I was like, how do I make it look like it's like the chocolate bar,
Vivian actually prepared for a stream, making us look bad.
No, I was so worried about this because I feel like it's the good Minesweeper name on the line. So, and I don't know if I can do it in an hour if I didn't prepare.
That looks so good, Vivian.
I'm questioning the white or the blue here, but we'll see. Okay, and so we're gonna loop over a list. What is the list gonna be? It's gonna be the array of all the tile locations because that's like our board. Oh, also, what do you guys think? Should we keep like a row on the bottom for like UI things, like this is how many mines you have left? Or
yeah, I think that'd be useful.
Okay, cool. Then I will get rid of this. That might be like a problem later with the mouse stuff, but I'm gonna ignore that. Okay, so for this, and then we gotta place it on the right place. So we're gonna put tile on here, and then we should see this board with tiles. Aha!
Beautiful.
Okay, and then I'm gonna make. Oh yeah, Shannon, I need your help. How do I make a pretty looking mouse?
Oh wait. So do you want like a square or like a pointer?
I thought a pointer would be good, but I'm also open to other ideas.
So pointer is straight on one side and then kind of diagonal on the other, and then yeah. And then I just I don't know, fill in the bottom and give it like a little sticky out bit.
Okay, I tried to do this earlier and it looked real ugly, and I was like, it's okay. I'll just ask Shannon later. But like, did I do this wrong? It looks.
You could do a hand. I think a hand is actually easier.
A hand is easier, but I think a square might also, because then you could lock the user to moving only in. It's Richard.
Hi, Richard.
No sandwich.
If you did a square cursor, you could have them only move in like 8-pixel increments.
Oh, wait, isn't that a hard problem?
I think we should do just a free-form cursor. Move it around, click on things.
What if I did like a finger?
You don't need. It doesn't need to be diagonal. You can just make a hand like this. The diagonal is the hard part. So.
Oh, okay. But perspective. If I don't have perspective, what do I have? It's a fat hand. Okay, let's get rid of this. Okay, here, yeah. And let's bring it over one that we can have. Oh no. Okay, let's make it shorter one. Wait, did that work correctly? I picked up a transparent tile, so I couldn't tell if that was a bug fixed or not. Okay, it's a hand. Or should it be gopher themed? Oh, well. Okay, does this look like, let's make...
Oh, yeah, totally.
Cursor.
And what we want to do is, because with pointers, it's kind of hard to do overlaps. Mm-hmm. One thing that's nice to do is make a 1-pixel collision thing and put it at the tip of the finger.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's go.
We can use that for the actual collisions.
Nice. Okay.
Unsigned Arduino in the chat says it should be a hammer because of whack-a-mole, which is a good idea. You do have a beautiful cursor. Maybe if you click, it like turns into a hammer or something.
Yeah. Okay. I love the hammer idea. But yeah.
I don't know if I can get behind Smash and Gophers, guys.
Oh, you lose the game. You lose the game if you do.
Yes. So the theme is we're, developing around the Gophers. We do not want to hit the Gophers. That's why it's game over if you hit a gopher.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to make this red just for, realism. But it's going to be hidden later. And then on game update. Oh, I also got to move the cursor. Move cursor with buttons. So on game update, we're going to put this where the tip of the finger.
Stay in wall also. Stay in screen. I mean.
Cool. Yeah.
Oh wait, no, it's a tile map.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you can just make that whole bottom row a wall, Vivian.
Yeah.
Shannon, genius. You solved so much of my problems. Excellent. This is great. Okay. So on game, this is why I shouldn't have tried to do this by myself,
You need to have Shannon, the math wizard and problem solver.
Yes, true.
No, we're a team.
Oh yes, we are.
We are the MakeCode.
And at the head of our team, in the throne that we all carry on our backs, is Shannon, the math wizard.
That's absolutely not true.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3. So I want to put the red dot here always. So I'm going to do like the position left +3 and then like top +1. I think. +3. Don't worry, this will be fixed. This is not what we want. Target? No, cursor. Okay, if the MakeCode team was like a human being, what like
weird Frankenstein monster? Yes.
Yes. What part would we all be? Would Shannon, like, if Shannon's, Shannon might be the brain because she does the math. What part resonates?
No one's better at math than I am.
Oh, I think Joey's the heart.
Aww.
And maybe I'm the eyeballs.
Uh-huh.
Vivian is the hands.
Yeah, I would love to be the hands. I can do it.
Mm-hmm.
Also, what's this weird behavior with this? It's like moving around. Is it because?
Oh, it's in off by 1. Well, it's a floating point thing.
Yeah.
So should I like ground it?
Yeah. So if you do a ground on the left and a ground on the top. What am I saying? Ground. The floor. Yeah.
It's the same.
That's where the ground is.
Not always.
If it's indoors, it's floor. But you know
floor
what?
On a dirigible.
What?
Oh, I was thinking the reverse, like a mountain where the ground is above you.
Oh. I think my dirigible point stands.
That's not a real word.
Yes, it is.
Okay, it's fixed now. Cool. Okay.
All right,
So
next week we have to make a dirigible game.
Yeah. Wait, we aren't starting next week. Week.
No, we're off next week. Week
Oh,
after.
right, yeah.
Okay, so now let's make this invisible. Why are you... Okay, that's right. That's what I thought. Okay, now let's bring in my favorite extension, sprite data.
We should, like, get to the point where whenever Vivian says, my favorite extension, the rest of us just in unison go, sprite data.
Well, are we going to call it arcade
this.
sprite data or just
Sprite
data? Okay.
I mean, we'll have to work it out. We'll have to work it out off stream, you know.
I think we should just work it out in practice.
Yeah. My favorite thing to do, by the way, is with all of these calls that we've been doing for hanging out with family and friends, we very often have to do a countdown to sync a video we're all watching.
Oh.
And my favorite thing to do is to be the person who ruins that. So I'll always be like, okay, 3, 2, 1, and then we do go. And they're like, no, just 3, 2, 1. I'll be like, okay, 3, 2, 1, go. It's like, oh no, not that. All right, okay, 3, 2, 1, go, and then go.
Richard, how much of your life do you think you've spent messing up your friends and family?
It would show up in the pie chart, I think, at this point, because I do this every time, and it never stops being funny.
Okay, and for the pie chart of people in the call, what percentage of them think it's funny and what percentage of them don't think it's funny? Got to see the data.
I think it is a perfect circle, all filled in. No one could not find it funny.
Okay, good to know. Okay, so if you think it's a gopher, should it be a flag or should it be some other icon?
I think it should be a gopher head with a question mark. So just fit that in there.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, do it. Go, Vivian.
Okay, question mark. Red.
See, the problem is you need like at least 5 vertical pixels to do a question mark. I think.
No, look at Vivian.
Oh, that works. Yeah, I think you got it.
Okay, we'll see if it looks good. Okay, so my thought is A button press, they'll like be clicking on the tile, but B button press, they'll be like, we think this is a gopher. So we'll do that first because I feel like that's easier. Wait, okay, so Shannon, did we figure out what the difference is between gopher? Is gopher a real animal?
Yes.
Yeah. So we were talking before about whether like a gopher was just like another name for like a groundhog. And Vivian was like, no, groundhogs are big and gophers are small. And I think she is correct.
Oh, cool.
And also distinct from moles. Sorry?
Oh, what are those animals that are in the prairie?
Prairie dogs.
Prairie dogs. They're also different.
Yep. And there's also meerkats, also different.
Oh my gosh. And a marmot? Marmot is its own thing, right?
Did you know there's an animal called a marmot, but also an animal called a marmoset, and they're completely different?
Yeah, those are very different animals.
Okay.
Whoa, this is a monkey.
Someone didn't read enough Redwall.
All marmosets in Redwall.
Are there not?
Monkeys?
Oh no, not marmosets, but they're marmots.
Yeah. I know what a marmot is. I just didn't realize a marmoset was.
Oh, maybe there aren't marmots in Redwall.
Someone hasn't read enough Redwall. I feel like a true Redwall fan would right away know, the zoology of all the animals.
Okay.
There are marmots here, though. Like, there are marmots on Mount Rainier. I've seen a marmot.
You've seen one? I'm so jealous.
All right, true Redwall fan. What's the name of the Badger Mountain?
Salamandastron.
Okay, Shannon, you can't answer. I know you know the answer.
Oh, sorry. I thought
yeah.
you were asking me.
Oh,
No, it's
Richard, It's Valamandastron.
All right. What's the name of the rabbit patrol that guards Salamandastron? Traditionally.
Jumpy.
Shannon.
Long Patrol? Is that
Correct.
okay?
Wait, what was it?
This one I'm
Lawn
not
Patrol?
sure. Long Patrol?
Oh, it was basically the same. If you were actually there, they call themselves the Jumpers.
What is the name of the legendary otter warrior?
Turpentine. Turboset. Marmalade.
Wait, I'm writing all of these down. These are such good names for things. I don't know if I know this one. Martin the Warrior was a mouse, right?
Correct. Tagarung.
Oh.
I keep on pulling out the wrong
This has
one.
been Redwall Trivia with Richard.
I've never read Redwall. In case people didn't know. It always seemed very long. And I was not committed to it. Okay, so what did I do? I feel like I did. Oh, yeah, I made this a tile because it's a tile. And then I made overlaps where if we have the collision thing touching the tile, it will just basically keep track of whatever we're overlapping. There might be a good way to keep track of that. But is there a better way to do that?
This seems
Wait,
fun.
to do what?
Oh. To keep track of which tile we're overlapping with the finger, I was just doing it on overlaps and updating.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, cool.
I mean, it's 1 pixel, so you'll only ever overlap with one.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Okay, so then.
Well, that's not necessarily true, but because everything is aligned to the grid here, it is true in this case.
Nice. Okay, so if it is the unseen tile image, then we want it to be the seen tile image. Otherwise, we'll like toggle it to the other one, unseen tile image. Now
Nice.
Let's see.
See some gophers. Yeah!
They're all gophers.
This is great.
Okay, and now I feel like is the harder part, which is okay, you know what? I'm going to make another function. I'm going to just make everything functions and then solve it piece by piece. Okay, place gophers. So we're going to call.
Get ready to watch some quarters fall, folks.
No way! I'm going to call it right now. So first thing we're going to do, second thing we're going to do. I'll put these together. Okay, place. Is that how you spell gophers? It looks wrong.
Yes, you're right.
Okay,
yeah.
Gophers. And we're gonna. How many gophers should we place on this map?
I mean, let's just make it configurable so that we can have like an easy mode and a hard mode.
I see. Okay, so let's make a variable then. Number of gophers. I noticed that Richard uses number instead of num. Is there a reason for that?
Because number is English and num is computer talk.
I see. Makes sense. So let's put 7 first. I don't know. And then for index of 0 to number of, is this inclusive?
Yeah.
Okay, so -1. -1 because we start at 0. We're gonna place a gopher. And then, so we can get array of all this locations. Okay, so we should have the random one now, right?
Yeah, but you should put this into I don't think you can use it though, because you want to put this into a variable and you want to remove it so that you don't put 2 gophers on the same spot.
Yeah. Okay, we'll make a variable and it's gonna be like all open tiles. And it's going to be array of all the like things. Yes, open tiles. Oh, also I better make a non-open tile. Okay, so let's go with this. Let's copy you and let's edit and let's just make it like an X. Don't get attached to it. We're not gonna see this, I think.
Should we should we also do a 1, 2, 3, 4? Well, wait. Are you So wait. What's your strategy here?
My
Are you gonna make it so that?
Mhm.
I was thinking that you would make the tile underneath a gopher.
Oh, and destroy the sprite?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. But then can we change the tile image? Okay, you know what? Sure. I'll do it that way. I was thinking that the tile map would never be seen. It would just be like data layer, where are the gophers, where are not. Okay, let's just delete all of this and start from scratch. Gophers live underground. Oh no, we have a problem. Gophers live underground, which is brown, and the gophers are also brown.
What if you make it green and the gopher is popping out of a hole?
Ah, okay, thank you. That makes sense. So we have the brown of the dirt. Let's make the brown of the dirt purple. No collision.
They call me Richard the Problem Solver.
Who calls you that?
They do.
Okay, makes sense. Checks out. Very consistent.
Whoa! Hey, no, whoa! Hey, put that eye 1 pixel over.
I know. But wouldn't it be cute if it was like, oh, but then it doesn't look like a gopher anymore. It looks like that tree, Nose? Do they have noses?
I don't know, but this one does.
Aww.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
He might be a mole.
Oh no.
Yeah, they have a little pink nose.
Okay, is their snout long or short?
Short. It's kind of snubbed.
Maybe just put like 1 more brown pixel underneath it. Like that.
Okay, yeah, I like it. Then it looks like a seal too.
I think their nose is pink, but like a lot of the times in these pictures they have dirt on it, so it looks kind of.
Aww.
That's so cute. Okay.
Little rascals.
Okay, number of gophers -1. We're going to pick a random, and then we're going to remove it. Do we have will it not get random value from list? Then we'd have to find the place that is, and then remove. Should I just do it the old way? That goes backwards.
You could do it that way. You could get and remove value, assign it to a variable, and then remove. I think we have a remove element. Scroll down. No, we don't. No, we need to do our favorite math. It's not gone yet.
Okay.
Wait, we're in beta.
What? Well, the issue is we need to take it out. We need to get a random one and remove it.
Yes, right.
Okay, random tile. Let's rename tile index so we know the number of it, and we're going to. It's going to be the last time. Never going to see this again. So it's going to be the length.
Okay, their nose might be black.
I'm not changing it. I refuse. I will.
All right, but it's a mole now.
Really? Is that what? Really? Is that? Do moles have pink
moles?
noses?
Correct.
But gophers are cuter.
This will look so weird.
It could be a fantasy gopher. I think ours can have a pink nose.
Yeah, maybe it'll be like a GAU.
Such a rich world we've constructed.
This is in line with the usual level of accuracy of animal facts on this program.
True.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we can get and remove value at this random tile index. And then we're going to change that to be the gopher. Set this to be a gopher. And then it's all open tiles. So now we will have 7 gophers all the time. None of them will be living in the same. Oh yeah, I gotta hide. I'm going to just take this away. We don't.
Did you set the variable for number of gophers?
Yep, I did. Aha, 7 gophers as planned. Excellent. Okay, now let's hide these. Okay, now what do we need to do? On A button pressed. Okay, I need to call the other one first. Cover
There you
them
go.
up. It's all coming together. Okay. Okay, now on A button pressed, we need to count the number of gophers. Okay. Let's just make a function. Count gophers where I am. And I can't pass in anything, so I'll just do it. It's okay. On A button pressed, we're going to call this first. This might, okay, it's going to return something. I'll deal with that later. But this way I don't owe a quarter, hopefully. Okay, and so I'm just gonna hard code all the tiles to look at. Is there a left, or should I bring in the Tilemaps extension? Or can I just use this?
You can use that.
But we can't do left. Okay. So I'll pass in edit function. I'll pass in the sprite, which is like.
Oh, right.
I do want the tile maps.
Oh no.
Yeah, Minesweeper does diagonals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can do like left top.
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
Yeah, so you want the Tilemaps extension.
Wait, can we file this bug? I don't know what I did, but I can't
Okay, can you open up the console real quick? Let me just see if there's a Blockly crash. Sorry to the audience.
Yeah, sorry to the audience. I thought Shannon was apologizing.
We're using beta today. Hooray.
I don't know if should I just.
It's fine. Let's just keep going, and
okay.
hopefully we can repro it later. Unless you can open the console off stream and just paste the thing in.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
The chat. Okay.
Okay, this is fine. Okay, let's bring in the Tilemaps extension. Tilemaps. Okay, and then we'll pass in. Oh my gosh, I did it again. No.
Oh.
Edit function, sprite. When click this. Oh no, it's
Might just be sprite arguments.
before I was just clicking it on the edge. Okay, we won't pass in the sprite. We'll just keep track of like the current.
Can you try it one more time?
You can just use.
And then click sprite and then done.
Oh.
Okay.
Can we rename this?
Probably not.
Yeah. Okay. Can I get rid of it? I can't get rid of it. Okay, we will live with my sprite. Tilemaps extension. So we gotta check everything. So we'll get the location of it, of my sprite, and then this will be current tile location, and it's gonna be this, and then we'll keep a counter of how many number of gophers next to me. And it's going to be 0. And we're just going to have a big if with all the different cases. And we'll just add if it's true. So we got to check the left, like these. And we also got to check these.
All the compass directions.
Yeah. So we'll see if tile at this position is the gopher. And then we got to just get this. So let's start at the left top. And do I do that with this one? Location left. Aha. Okay, so location.
You just copy and paste a bunch of those.
Yep. Okay.
Yep.
Location left, location top. That's gonna be the top left one. Is.
Oh, we should have just copy and pasted the one with where it's assembled.
Yeah. Well, I'm leaving this. Okay, if this is that, then we're gonna change it by 1 because we see a gopher. Number of gophers next to me. Also, let's return this. Yeah. Oh, that's exciting. Okay, then I'll
Beta.
what? Beta.
Beta.
If the location to the top is a gopher, then that is also a gopher, so we gotta count that. If location to the top and to the right, get out of here. Who invited you to this party? Okay, now we gotta see the thing that's just to the left. Ah.
So you're doing top, left top, then right top, then left.
Then
Wait.
right? Is that not right?
I was going clockwise. You're doing some sort of zigzag.
I'm reading it like a book. It's sensical. Oh wait, I need one of these. Okay, that's a good thing it's here. Location left of the bottom one. Wait, Shannon, did you have something?
No.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to copy this one first, and then I'll make this one the bottom one because it only has 1, and then this will be to the right of the bottom. Ah, okay. Return number of gophers to me. Okay. So, and then we're going to pass in current tile.
No, you want to pass in target. Oh no, I guess current tile works.
Oh, either one works.
Yeah.
Either one works. Okay, cool. So we'll see. Okay, we'll get.
No, you want to pass in target because otherwise they might be clicking somewhere and it'll just be the last one they overlaps with.
Won't you always be overlapping with the tile?
Not if you start clearing them.
Oh, huh. Let me make this number. Temp number. Okay, sorry. If you start clearing them, then the thing you're
current... so if you destroy the tiles to show the gopher underneath or whatever, then you'll have gaps and you'll get some weird behavior. So
I see. Okay, let's collapse this, and then where did my function call? Oh, I deleted it. Okay, then we'll call this. Wait, where's my variable? Temp number to be this, and we'll call it with the target, which is the mouse pointer. Target. Okay, and if this is wait, first we should see if the one that we clicked on is a gopher, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if tile donde here is a gopher, and then how do we get that? We use the tile maps and we get location of target. Oh, I didn't need this. Didn't need that.
Nope.
I'll clean it up later if we have time. Okay, if this is the gopher, then let's we'll make a function. Game over. We'll do things in it. We'll deal with that later because that might be like a, maybe we want to have all the gophers animating and popping up, full of potential this function is. But maybe for now we'll just put like a screen effect in for testing. Oh, wait, no, I want the screen effect. Which one's the screen effect?
Is it in scene?
Start screen effect fire. Blizzard?
No.
Which one do you want me to... If I could turn all this...
Game over with? Or is that...
Oh. I wanted to just not game over right away just to give us space. But I think if we want to do it anyway, here, I'll just pause for a second. 5 seconds and we'll game over. Okay, and then also maybe I'll just hide. Okay, maybe I'll just randomly click and my finger's gone. When did that happen? When? Okay, cursor.
Yeah, are you setting the Z index?
Oh, it's been gone for a long time. Cursor Z to be a million. For safety. Excellent. So I'm just gonna click things. Maybe I'll find a gopher. Maybe I should have a debug command to see what's underneath. I don't know.
If you hide your make cover tiles, if you just take that function out, it'll, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or do you need them for?
You don't need them.
Visible, invisible, invisible. On. I'll just do this here because I'm scared of like putting it in the wrong order again. Oh no. Okay, now we will click on a gopher and we will see us lose. Yep. You're happy that you saw a gopher. Okay.
You had such a good day seeing the gopher that you just went home.
Real quick, Vivian, make the cursor speed slower.
Oh. Good idea. Move cursor with buttons 50.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, okay, so if this is bigger than 0, or not, yeah, bigger than 0, get temp number. Should we make a bunch of tiles with the numbers on it, or should we just change the sprite image to be like the number?
Well, we don't want to overlap with that tile anymore, so we should probably destroy the tile and then set the tile underneath.
Okay.
Destroy the sprite and then set the tile underneath, because we don't want to overlap with that one anymore.
But then we'll have a giant if statement be like, if it's 1, make it 1.
Here. I mean, you don't have to. You could just destroy it and then make a text sprite in its place. Oh. You're gonna have a giant if statement somewhere, unless you're not planning on using text sprites.
I was thinking of making an array with all the images in it and setting the tile's image to be that, and then just changing the reveal to be like true.
You can do that. So you make a tile for all of them, and then you just make an array from the tile picker block.
Oh, I forgot that worked like that. Okay, yeah, let's do that. Set 8x8 tilemap to be okay, and then we'll make.
Can we make our ground green so that it flows with the?
Oh. Yeah, I like that. So we have should I make it white or should I make it black?
Yeah.
White. 1.
It's like we're on a football field. Well, you also need 0, right?
Yeah.
Technically, I think what happens in Minesweeper is the 0 tile clears itself and then calls count on all the ones around it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right.
It's like flood.
I'll put it in for the array.
Yeah.
I would love to do. I was thinking about this, Shannon. I was like, oh man, can't wait to do flood again. I'll know how to do it. 2. Are we Sesame Street? Oh no.
No, if we were, you would be going 2.
Here, I can do
3.
it. Do you think they have it that patented counting and laughing?
As long as you don't do the accent, he's like it's like the vampire accent, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's like Count Dracula.
3. Ha. Wait, how many can we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
4.
7, 8.
Ho ho ho.
Wait, but what if Santa has that patented?
The combination is new.
4. Ha.
All right, Shannon, you got to do yours now. Good. That's good.
It's good. It's good.
6. Tee hee hee.
You have to wait for the 6 to come in.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
We
Sorry.
need, the graphics. This is a
The
high
visual aid.
production, Wait, this looks weird. And it's good enough. It's good enough. Go, Richard.
Tee hee hee.
Okay. 7. Ah! Ha 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 ha. I'm having so much fun counting. We should just count every day. Oh man. This is not what I wanted it to look like.
I think if you take away the
Yeah.
edges of the yeah.
Yeah.
8. Ha ha ha.
And that's it.
Yep.
Man. Okay. Well, now we'll make an array. What's the point?
We should have done robot laughing. Ah, ah, ah.
Tile numbers. What's the point in doing things if I can't say something and then laugh? I don't know where the tile picker is. Do I have to just drag it out of somebody? Give this to
Probably.
me. Ah, okay. Ha ha ha. Okay, so 0. It's out of order, but that's fine. 1. It's gonna be tall later anyway. Ah, that's fine. 2. 3. Oh, ha 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 ha! We can count again.
Oh.
That might be counted out. Count me out.
No. What time is it? Oh, we still have 17 minutes. This is great.
Cool.
8. Okay. And so now we can just change the tile to be that number and destroy the sprite. Sorry, Mike. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Set this at that. So we got to get location of target. And then set it to be, we'll get our array. What did I call it? Tile numbers. Get value at, and then we'll be this number. And then we'll destroy the sprite that it's overlapping with, the tile sprite, which is, oh, we did need this, so we can keep track of that. So we'll destroy current tile. Let's see if it works. Play, please. Okay, I guess these are all 0. Ah, 1! Oh man, that means there's a gopher near.
Oh, there was! I think you should also destroy before your game over to like reveal the gopher.
Ooh, Okay, so where did I put my game over? Did you guys hear myself for a bit? I guess you always hear me. Never mind.
Yeah, just there was an echo for like a second.
Okay, cool. I'm like, okay, array of sprites of kind tile, and then we'll like destroy them all in sequence really fast, maybe with like bubbles or something. Array of sprite tiles. Oh yeah, that's right. And then destroy.
Maybe don't want to do an effect
This one?
on the destroy. I mean,
Ah. Yeah, that's okay. And then we'll pause a little bit. That's not long enough. That's okay. Let's just try to hit it to go for now. We gotta do the mallet thing too. There's lots to do.
Oh.
What?
Hmm.
Did I get rid of my game over? Game over if the tile is gopher, they are of kind tile.
Wait, try clicking the gopher again.
Oh, whoa!
Oh. This
That
is
was
cool.
so cool. Maybe I'll make them all green instead of gray. Right? I'll edit this. That should be
Okay,
it.
so maybe you should actually use current tile so that it'll at least be, like, I guess, consistent.
Consistent.
Grass.
Okay. Instead of the target.
Target. Yeah. I mean,
Is it bad?
it's not. It still has the problem that I mentioned before, but this will at least make it so that if it gets destroyed, it'll always, be accurate. I think there was some weird off by one error happening before. All right, we need to handle this 0 thing because.
Yes.
Gopher.
Oh, I like in the game over. We should destroy the
Oh.
one that we clicked first.
Yeah, and go ahead and do the location of you have location of target still in 2 places. So you want to do the location of current tile in both those places.
Location of current tile. Location of current tile. And then we'll...
And then you always want to call destroy current tile, I think. So right now you have it inside of an if statement. You just want to put that outside the if statement.
I see.
Oh wait, I know what to do. Wait, go back. I know how to fix the problem we were doing before. You want to do a logic, and you want to say if the target is overlapping with current tile, then do everything that's in here.
Oh, okay. Sure. If let's get the overlaps. Target overlaps with current tile. And then we do all of this just to make sure it's correct.
Yep.
Keep this here? Yeah. And then for beautifulness, we'll always destroy current tile. So we can see that we hit them all. And then we got to do the flood reveal. Let's collapse all blocks. Format. And then...
I'm sorry, the what, Vivian?
The flood reveal.
No, you said make sure we can see the mole.
Oh, the gophers. Are we sure that they're different?
Pretty sure.
Okay, so let's see.
You should be able to just whatever you're doing on the A button pressed, just do all of that on the 0 tile if it's a 0, minus the game over.
So I think you want to do this inside of called count gophers where I am. And you want to do, if it's 0, then you want to call it on all of the tiles next to it. And then maybe move the destroy part also into here. Or maybe you can make
why do we want to do this in here?
Because you want to call it on all of these different locations that you're checking.
Yeah, but this one just gets the count, so it could stay, and you could do one level. Or wait, Vivian, did you have a plan? Sorry, I think
No, I didn't have a plan. I didn't get this far.
You're right. We should do it one level up. We should call it on all of the surrounding tiles, and we should make a destructor sprite, which is like a 1-pixel sprite that just destroys all tiles it overlaps with. So you can just place it on the tile and then do the flood reveal on it. Get it?
So I think we need to flood everything nearby. If that one's also 0, then reveal. Otherwise, don't reveal.
No, it'll reveal. If it's 0, then you do the recursive call on all of them. If it's not 0, then you don't do any recursive call. Because you should show the ones that are borders.
So shouldn't I just call flood reveal Okay, my idea. Okay, so we call flood reveal, and this is the recursive call, and then if it's a number, return. If it's 0, call it on everybody nearby, but also check to see if it's been revealed yet or not. Or okay.
I think that works.
Is it bad?
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's fine.
Okay. So let's just check to see if tile at. Oh, but we need to pass in the. Oh, but we need to be able to pass in the thing, and that's not possible, right? We need to pass in the tile location that we're looking at.
Yeah, you do need that. You could do column row.
Oh.
With Tilemaps Extension.
Yep, that works.
Number.
But you can't change the name.
Oh, it's broken for all. I thought it was just sprite things.
Okay. This one's column. This one's row. Don't let me forget.
Wait. So drag out one of those nums. Vivian. Right click on that. Oh no. Sorry.
No. That's okay. Okay, so if this.
Oh, you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nope. No, I got nothing.
Oh, okay. If it's not this, so if it's not this, then it means it's been revealed, so we'll return. I'll just deal with that up front. This is that, then return. Nothing.
Wait.
No, you want to
right.
do that. You don't want to not that. If it is that, then you want to. Oh no, you're right. Never mind. You're right. Right.
Okay. I'm like, if this is wrong, I am blind. I have no. You guys have to lead me through the dark. I am completely lost. Okay, so if it's this, then that. Else, if. Oh, I guess I could do an else if. Else, if it is 0, we'll do something.
You have to do it. If you're going to do this recursively, you're going to have to do a count. The count function.
Ah, I see. Let's count. Let's get the count. Number of gophers. Number of gophers. Of course. Number of gophers. But here. And then we'll count gophers where. Should I make a sprite? Maybe I can't even change it to be like column row anymore. Make a sprite? Yeah.
Just
okay.
Right. You don't need to do it in this function. Do it in an on start, and then you could just move it around.
We're not gonna have many of them. I guess we'll go all the way. But like, once we like go back up the tree, we'll lose the position of where it is, right?
It doesn't need to stay. It just needs to be there for that one call.
Okay. Wait, but aren't we calling it on everybody around us?
Yeah, but it's one line. There's no interleaving.
Okay. You know what? I trust. Okay, so we're gonna be like recursive target. We're gonna make this 1 by 1, not 161 by 1, or not 116 by 1 by 1, and it's gonna be like, oh no, not a child, a new kind, secret, don't work, secret, and then we're going to place secret here. Wait, Richard, would your way have made this not like this?
What?
Nope. Never mind. Place my sprite. I called it recursive target on top of here.
Yep, and then you call it here, and then you don't need recursive target anymore. Right?
What?
Okay, so you put it inside of the function.
and then I can just keep the location. Instead of.
And then you only need it for this function call, which is why this isn't an issue. Because then the next iteration will do this same thing. They're not going to be running at the same time.
But the next, okay, let's just call.
What I'm saying is, we're below this number of gophers, but here you don't need recursive target anymore.
Yeah, but we do need the location of it. But we can just get it from recursive target.
Well, that's in num and num2.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going, and I'm not gonna worry about it. If number of gophers that we have is greater than 0, then we're gonna reveal it and then leave. Otherwise, we're gonna call flood reveal on all the places around us. So we're gonna call it 8 times, right?
Yeah, so I think you want to do one other thing real quick.
What's up?
I'm thinking that you need to destroy the sprite. And I think the easiest way to do that is to just make it so that this secret one, we can do it outside this function, destroys all tiles it collides with. And then after you call flood reveal, you just put it off the tile map. Or you set it ghost to be true. Yeah.
Okay, wait. I'll do. Okay, guess ghost to be true here, or
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna be a bad human if I can. Secret. Where's recursive target? Aha. Recursive target. Ghost. True. Okay.
And then where you're calling the top flood reveal, right there. No, not right there. Right there. Yeah. So you want to set ghost to be true, and then set ghost to be. Set ghost to be false, and then set ghost to be true.
I think you want ghost to be false after you move it.
You can't do it that way. Wait, this won't work. This will not work because it's all running in the same frame.
So we're trying to destroy the tile that's above it. That's the issue.
Yeah, okay. I think the easiest thing to do is just to do a bunch of tile overlap events with the tile kind with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and destroy it when it overlaps with them.
Oh, okay, I see. I see. I got it. I understand now. So we're gonna do secret. We're gonna do 1.
No, not secret.
No.
Tile.
I see. I actually see this time. This is easy. I don't mind this at all. And it means we get a count again.
Lots of counting in this stream.
I love counting. It reminds me of the things that I know, which is my numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. I love the,
and then also 0.
Yeah. Oh. Are we gonna change it to 0? Oh.
God.
Maybe we should make it separate.
We have to change it to this. We have to change it to something.
I'll make it something else. I'll edit
different.
Flower. It'll be a flower.
Yeah.
When every tile's a flower. No
It's
tile's
a
a flower.
field. And then we'll make it like this. Oh yeah, there will be a lot of flowers. Okay. Wait, why is this one? I'm not gonna worry about it. Okay, and then also for the 0 one, excellent. Now I'm gonna collapse blocks, format code. I'll never know what these are again. And then what we're doing the flood. We have 1 minute left. Is this okay? So if it's then we got to call on everybody nearby, right?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
If it's bigger, then we'll just change. Where's the change? Where's
in your if check for 0 or
in this one?
Yeah, set tile number.
Thank you, Shannon. Should we do out? Do you think I can do it in the time it takes us to do outros?
You can do it.
Okay. Thank you,
And change that current tile to be recursive target.
Wait,
And put that recursive target back put that function call back where it was.
Yes.
Wait, this one to be recursive target.
You always want to do this, so put this outside of the if statement.
Okay. And then I make this recursive target.
Yes.
Recursive target. Oh, good thing I didn't try to do this while counting or while outroing. Number of gophers by here. Oh my gosh, what? Okay. So I don't need this.
So
This.
yeah, so there's two things left we have to do. We need to do the ones for all of the different directions, and we need to add an if statement at the top of this function to see if we are off the map. But once we do those two things, I think our flood reveal will be done.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I can just do. Okay, I'll do that in a second. I'll just do all this first, right?
Will it break if it's off the map?
I don't know. Maybe we could check, see if it's a wall.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll just check to see if the location is a wall, then don't run it. Yeah, if it's not a wall, then run it. If it is a wall, then we've reached the edge.
Oh wait, not this one. If it's...
I think it's in the Tilemaps extension.
It's wall. Excellent. If it's not the wall, num2. Okay, so this is... Oh my gosh. Which one?
So 1 1. Now you want 1 0. Now you want 0 1. What the heck?
Don't worry, it's fixed. It'll be fixed. Don't worry about that return.
All right, and now you want to do +1.
Pluses?
Yeah, change it to pluses.
+1, just another one.
Yeah, and now you want to do +1, +1.
And then make this one a 0.
And then 0, +1, and then +1, -1.
+1, -1. And then we'll flip it for the next one.
Yes.
Oh, no, not that way. Flip it this way. It matters. Okay, and it will just work?
Maybe.
Who can say?
Wait, go back to the go. Go back to the code. We got a little bit of time. Let's go.
Okay. It says Stack Overflow. Is it just like impossible? Oh, it's because, okay, maybe the end condition's bad.
Okay, so we're setting the tile. So that should, if not tile at the num2 is that, then we do a return. So that should stop it from being infinite, I think, because we're always setting the tile, right? So we place location at that. Get rid of the location of recursive target just in case, and change it to just the location of recursive target that you have right there. And change that to num2. Okay, so if 0 is less than the number of gophers but here, then stop. Otherwise, sure. Otherwise, we want to call flood reveal on all of these different locations. All looks good to me.
It hates
Can you set the tiles to invisible? The cover tiles?
Oh, instead of...
Just for debugging?
Oh, I see. Yeah. That's okay. That's on make cover tiles. I can just hit my flag. Haha. Okay. So I'll hit the 0 one. It'll be very mad. It's very mad.
So it did.
Okay. Go back to your flood reveal. Okay, put a pause at the top.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah, now do it again.
Okay. It's working.
No, it's not working.
Oh, it's starting from the top.
Wait, is it because I'm not placing the recursive
But we're not
target?
passing in the... Where are you calling flood reveal?
I didn't...
Yeah.
Okay, flood reveal at I can get this Tilemaps. Is that I feel like that's $1. I feel like that's more than a quarter. What should it be? Target?
Current tile location.
Current tile location. What is the difference anymore? I don't know.
Well, wait, sorry, not current tile location.
Location of current tile. The block above it.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, I see. Put this in here.
Yep.
Yeah.
I see.
All right, I don't think this is gonna fix it though. So
No. I think it'll still end badly. It might be that we're not doing good bounds checking.
Is it still too big? Is that what, or is it like, it's the recursion is bad? Whoa.
No, I mean it's doing depth first, so this is not surprising.
I think we don't have enough moles.
Oh, I can solve. Easy fix.
Oh, is that it? Is it actually working correctly? It's just too much.
Could be. I don't know. Whatever.
What's
No, change it to like 20.
20? Okay. And I'll get rid of the pause.
Or just make it like very small. Or yeah, whatever. Doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. Oh. Live life dangerously. We'll see.
Oh!
That's pretty good. Wait.
I think we need more. This like solves the game.
We need more moles? Is that the solution? Oh, wait, there are a lot of mines. Okay. Yeah, let's change it. Let's make it 30.
Bringing the tiles back also.
Yeah, bring the cover tiles back.
Okay.
Now let's try. Oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Where is oh my gosh. Go away, start. I'm sorry, collapse. Here.
All right, so I guess we should kind of explain. There's a limit to how many times you can call recursive functions. This is a limit you see on a lot of different programming environments. It's a bit lower in MakeCode than it is for other things, just because, well, how our programming environment works.
Okay, classic strategy. Go in the corner.
So the thing that was happening was our thing was working correctly, but it was calling itself recursively so many times because there were so many blank tiles that it was hitting the limit.
Yeah, I guess we don't have a win condition yet. I can do that.
No, we don't have a win condition.
Win condition will be easy. I can do that myself.
It's just we can do it real quick. I mean,
really?
It's just.
Do you guys not have meetings?
I don't think I do. No, I got nothing for the rest of the day. Let's do Minesweeper forever.
Yes.
Minesweeper forever.
We're already over. Sorry, guys. Please bear with us. We're so close to being done.
So all you got to do is inside at the bottom of the on A button pressed, count the number of tiles, sprites, and if it's 0, then game over win.
Oh, we shouldn't check every time we place a flag?
Yeah, you have to flag all the right ones.
Oh, really? I thought you had to get rid of all of the not right ones.
Yeah, you have to.
Both work. I think both will give you, in regular non-Gopher themed Minesweeper, both will let you win.
Oh, you don't have to do the flags. I see.
Yeah, I think you can just get rid of everything because that's also.
Okay, so wait, Richard, what's your solution?
Oh, so just inside of at the bottom of the on A button press, you want to check to see if the number of tiles left is 0.
Oh, regular tiles.
Yes.
So check the regular.
Oh, that doesn't work for is less than the number of gophers.
Ah, okay.
No, sorry. The array of all sprites of kind tile. Sorry, I should have been clear on that.
Array of all. Wait, why? Ah. Okay. Array of sprites of kind tile. Ah, and see if all of these are just gophers. If this.
Oh, actually, though, your thing also would have totally worked.
You know what? We need as many minds understanding as possible. And if this one has more understanding, then this is good. If this is comparison. Okay, if this of all the tiles
is less than or equal to
less than or
equal to
okay,
the number of gophers.
So glad that this is in. What is this nonsense? Okay. Then game over win.
It's in game, not team.
Game over with. Okay.
All right, let's test this code. Play
Oh,
Minesweeper.
Am I good at Minesweeper? Oh man. Okay.
Make all the tiles. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna.
I'm great at Minesweeper.
You're amazing, Vivian.
Thank you. This is the wrong way. Okay, let's try this
So
again.
good at Minesweeper.
So good at the best. Oh, that was unhelpful. Other corner. Wait, what was your? Did you guys play a lot of Minesweeper?
No. Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty good.
This is Minesweeper. Wait, this is.
Wait, no, that one definitely isn't. Yeah.
Wait, this is so cool.
This one
Okay, so
is.
this is 2. This is
Oh, this
5. 1. Oh, okay. So that's.
Vivian, you're so good at Minesweeper.
Somebody posted a Minesweeper game on the forum, which made me want to play Minesweeper. And then for some reason in my mind, I feel like there's some people who play Minesweeper competitively and they do it like really fast. So that's the energy I went into it with it, you know? But then I died and then I gave up. Okay, so this is 1. This is gone. We don't know about that. That's 1. This can't be it. This is here.
You're so much better at this than I
I know,
am.
right? I'm just watching.
I'm
I was like,
scared.
well, this is a 1, so. And then Vivian's like cleared out the whole area. Oh!
I'm so nervous because I'm not thinking about. I'm going with instinct, and then I feel like the instinct killed me last time I played it. Okay, now I'm going to think about. This is 1. This is gone. Gone. That's 3. 1, 2.
Yeah, that has
Okay.
to be.
Okay. So this is Gopher. This is Gopher Sweeper. Excuse us. 2. This one has to be. Okay. Goodbye. This is obviously a Gopher.
That one's a mine. Yeah, or a gopher, sorry.
Come on, Jen. Branding. Okay, don't click that. I want to click that, but okay. This is 3. All of these have to be. That's 2. So, oh, can I click this? Nervous. Okay. 1.
Oh, geez, yeah, the bottom of the board.
It does not make me feel great. So this has to be goodbye. Bye. Okay, this is, and this can be gone, this can be gone, this can be gone. 2. So you have to be 1. Gone. 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 Okay, one more corner. We are just a Minesweeper stream now. All we do is stream Minesweeper. 3. Okay, this is goodbye. Is this up to chance now?
Wait,
It might be just chance. Okay. It might.
I think this one might just be chance.
Oh no. Okay, so 3. Okay, wait. This can be done with logic. So we know there has to be at least 2 more here, but it can't touch. This 2 can only have 1. So I think. Okay, so if one of the gophers is there, then we can have another one. Or if we have it here. Oh.
See, those 2s are only can have 1, so you can't.
Here.
So that rightmost one cannot be 1, I think.
This one. Yeah. Go and click it. Okay, 1. So this one has to be 1. Yes.
Wow.
Go team! Yeah, I helped.
Go team! 1. Oh, yes! Yes! Oh no. This is. Wait, it's not chance.
Yeah, I know. So there you go, and then this should make us win. Yeah! Our code worked!
Oh,
We
man.
did it!
First try.
Good work, everybody.
Oh my gosh, Vivian, you are a Minesweeper god.
It was so stressful towards the end, Vivian.
I was stressed throughout. You were clicking so fast.
Go. I feel like, yeah, people do it really fast. Go for Sweeper. I'll drop this in chat right now so people can try it out.
You had
Wow.
to be Gopher Sweeper.
That was so good, Vivian. If we had a best of streams, that like
That would
Minesweeper
absolutely be a
section,
moment.
Yeah.
we'll make this.
The world was watching with bated breath as you made it through that golfer sweeper board.
Yes. At our 500 stream, we'll make a compilation, and this will be there. Last moment. It'll be like, choom. It'll be awesome. So, wow. But, I think it's a team victory for being able to make Gopher Sweeper in one go, even if we're 16 minutes over. So, I think we're good. Thank you, everybody, for joining us on this journey. I'm sorry. Oh, we didn't do the hammer. That's okay. We learned a lot about recursion.
We could honestly come back tomorrow and just do like the fit and finish on this. Like we didn't use the HUD on the bottom bar.
Oh,
we
true.
could make it so that you can also do it with the flag victory. We can make a little menu choosing like difficulty levels. We could do more stuff.
Okay. Maybe we'll come back tomorrow, really polish it up. But, the only way for you to know if we do that is tuning in tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. I've been Vivian. I'm at Live Cheerful on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard. Richard on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Shannon, Ashikawa on the MakeCode forums.
And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.